Top 5 businesses na dapat mong simulan ngayong 2021. Roll intro. Alright, what's happening guys? This is your coach, Paolo Ramos, and today, this will be one of the first valuable videos na ipapublish ko, lalo na sa mga taong gustong magsimula ng kanilang business or anybody who wants to increase their income ngayong 2021. So, ang pag-uusapan natin today ay ang top 5 ways or top 5 businesses na pwede mong simulan ngayong 2021. In no particular order, I want to give you the right tips and strategies para makatulong naman ito sa inyo. So, before anything else, don't forget to hit the subscribe button para sa YouTube algorithm. Alright, without further ado, let's start in no particular order. Okay, the first up will be food business. When it comes sa food business, diba, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, we are, stay at home, work from home, study from home. So, what better way to really make things more convenient is, of course, syempre, diba, mga food deliveries. Now, pagdating sa food naman, ikaw ba yung tipo ng tao na mahilig magluto? Masarap ba ang iyong mga putahe? Diba? O kaya naman, maybe hindi ka marunong magluto, pero may mga kakilala ka na pwede mong kuhaan ng mga food supplies. Diba? Whether it be frozen goods or mga specialty foods or kaya mga candies or kung ano-ano man. Alright? So either you can create your own or be a reseller. Okay, that's one. Okay, number 2, eto, services business. Maybe wala kang pera ngayon, wala kang trabaho ngayon, marami kang bakanting oras, pero meron kang computer, meron kang internet, pwede mong simulan ang iyong services business. Okay, magaling ka ba na mag-graphic design, mag-edit ng mga pictures, mag-edit ng mga videos? Pwede mo ding gawin yan as your business. Marunong ka bang mag-design ng sarili mong website? No? Pwede mong gamitin yung mga layout na ginagawa mo, pwede mo siyang ibenta. Actually, part pa din ng services, meron tayo yung tinatawag na advertising. Siyempre, nauuso ang online advertising ngayon and marami ding mga clients ang nasa market ngayon para humanap ng mga advertisers. Magaling ka sa Facebook advertising, Google Ads, or kung ano-ano mang platforms where you can advertise, then definitely it's recommended. Accountant ka ba? Then you can start your own accounting business, of course, at home. You can cater to different kinds of businesses. Personal training. Yes, marami akong mga kakilala na personal trainers pero ginagawa nila ang kanilang services online. They do Zoom meetings. So, pinapanood ni trainer yung exercise ng client and then nakikipag-usap tungkol sa, sa diet, nutrition at kung ano-ano pa. Yun ang pwede mong gawin. Okay? If you want to start your own services business, gamitin mo ang skills na meron ka. Okay? Hindi kailangan maging super duper expert ka. Basta alam mo, confident ka na pwede mong i-share yung value na yon. Okay? Number 3, we have health business. Bigyan kita ng example. Pwedeng mag-retail ka ng mga healthy na products. It could be in a form of like food or vitamins or drinks, di ba? Nauuso ngayon yung mga food supplements. You can sell those items. For as long as FDA approved, pwede yan. Kung ikaw naman ay medical professional, no, you can do online consultation. Okay? Yan yung innovation ngayon. Yung ibang mga hospitals at clinics, they do online consultations na. Sila na yung nagsisend ng mga prescription sa kanilang mga clients. Na number 4, meron din tayo yung household. Household na items. Anything that can make your household, more convenient. It could be in the form of, mga kitchen tools. O kaya yung mga novelty, mga items like yung mga magagandang, yung shower thing, di ba? Marami. Lighting. It could be ventilation. It's up to you. And then last but not the least, we have yung fashion. Siyempre naman, kahit naman stay at home tayo, we still want to look good. We still want to look presentable. Siyempre naman, pag work from home, di ba, yung iba, kapag kausap ang mga clients, hindi naman pwedeng nakapambahay, nakasando, shorts ka lang. Pwede ka mag-shorts sa pang-ibaba. Pero di ba yung pang-itaas mo usually, nakaano ka? Dapat medyo naka-dress up ka. So yan, fashion is still in. You know, classic naman yan. It's timeless. Okay? So you can sell clothing, no? Be it na magaling kang magtahi, gumawa ng sarili mong mga damit, then go, pwede mong ibenta yan. Or meron kang supplier ng mga magagandang damit, whether it be, casual or pajama or kahit ano. Pwede yan. So, those are the top 5. So, we have food, we have services, we have health, we have household, we have fashion. Basta yan yung recommended ko, top 5. Abangan nyo yung next video. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mo pwedeng simulan yung napili mong business at gawin ito sa social media. Hihimay-himayin natin ito. So, looking forward na makasama kayo ulit. And kung may natutuhan kayo, ang kabayaran lang na hinahanap ko ay i-share mo itong video na ito kung meron kang natutuhan, meron kang nakuhang value sa video na ito. Muli po, this is your coach, Paulo Ramos. For now, signing off. Thank you and God bless.